What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to reset the oil life after an oil change on a Honda HRV. I'm going to be demonstrating on a 2025 HRV in this video, but it will be the same on a few different years. So we need to be in the vehicle with the vehicle running or the ignition in the on position. Then I'm going to be using these buttons on the left-hand side of the steering wheel here. If you're actually in need of an oil change, you'll have a message on your dash that says maintenance due or maintenance due soon. To clear that message or any other message, you'll just press the home button here to dismiss those messages. Then we're going to press the home button, and that's going to take us to this screen here. Once we have this screen up, I'm going to use this little roller ball right here to roll and scroll down. And keep scrolling down till we have maintenance highlighted. Once maintenance is highlighted, I'm going to press that button in. And now we can see our oil life here. Now what I'm going to do is press and hold that same button down. So press and hold and continue to hold that down. Once this pops up, you can release it. Then I'm going to use that same button to scroll down until all items due is highlighted like that. And then I'm going to press that button in again. And as you can see there, it's been reset back to 100%. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.